Anyways, trying to play a line today without having sudden notes go completely out of tune, out of the blue. It's everything, pretty much every third chord is going out of tune again. Wow, look at that, I hit the first string somehow. It's magical. So by then, it's just kind of a garbagey thing. Like it's not really sounding tight to me. It was sounding a lot tighter earlier. Now it's just this kind of loose, floppy, low-ended thing. So far today, the treble's been cutting out of the Marshall on the 10-watt setting and the 20-watt setting. I made my... I'll show you. So I made this into my amp chair, so I have a Bogner amp cab under there, and that's the chair itself there. So I can hear the amp and play on a chair for a while. Why should babies have all the fun? Oh, try and knock that over. Anyway. Notes went out of tune. I'm playing a fucking slide. These are really high-end Grovers, and this guitar arrived in tune in the middle of winter, you know, from California. So no, I don't believe it's a tuning. I think what I'm hearing is either some special fucking transmission through whatever the television station signal used to be, or I don't know. For whatever reason, this. By playing slide, which is the lightest thing pretty much you can do on a guitar besides just look at it. Suddenly there's all these errant notes and all these detunings, then back to tune and then out of tune again. So then suddenly played the wrong notes. Right there, so suddenly my hand's going way up. So it's out of tune again on the open chord there. Out of tune there again. Back in tune somewhat. There's notes before I played them suddenly down here on the 5th fret. By the way, my hand's muting everything, in between everything, so it's amazing how I'm getting all those magical notes, right? Out of tune again, so it just went flat. The second string just pulled itself flat. So I just pulled flat again like some dickhole's playing a Telecaster that's out of tune. I went out of tune again, so string 2 and 3 just pulled out of tune. This is a fuck. Okay, I'll just put it in the middle position. Strum it back in tune. So it's in tune on those positions, but that one wants to be in retard tuning. Since it's retard, you can hear him through the amp showed up. There on the open again. There's extra notes playing even though I'm muting it. So it's just magical around here, I guess, right? Playing those chords, they're not playing any of the notes I'm playing. So it's some buttfuck in the background trying to imitate what I'm doing, but they're playing all the wrong fucking notes, or at least that's what I'm hearing. So when I'm playing these partial chords, these two-note chords, these are things that are automatically in tune with itself, that or they're an octave. It's not making that sound through the amp. You can hear rewind it and you can just see what buttfuck did there. Amazing, huh? Out of tune already, so suddenly those both notes, same interval, decided to go really far out of tune to my hearing. Out of tune again. Out of tune again. Gosh, just amazing, huh? How did I do it?